politics watch. This is RP. Is it that them can't do it, or them no want to do it? When I see this article in the Observer, I have to kiss my teeth. If you haven't seen it yet, you can go search it. I give you all the details and everything there. I go even read it out because this coming like a show. I'm going to tell you why articles like this frustrate me and why Jamaica as a whole should be frustrated, right, about seeing things like this. Because the article sound like JCF almost, a flex. I say, see how serious to take this? We are putting in the work. But when I think them realize that this is actually bad PR, I'm going to tell you why this is bad PR. But before we go into that, today, we have a special shout out. Right? Long time Patreon member. Right? Mr. Grind. Right? And birthday. It's also him and his wife, Tamara aka Mrs. Grind, birthday. Now, that kind of spooky. Because normally, Joe Grind is a side man. Me never know say Joe Grind get married to. Man named Mr. Grind and the wife named Mrs. Grind. So, Joe Grind get promoted. I'm telling you, say 2021 are some serious times, When you see Joe Grind, I turn husband and I have anniversary. Look to the hills from whence cometh thy help. Anyway, bro, you and wife, you have a great day. Right. Live long and prosper. Right. Now we can get into this, because a serious business we're doing right now. We're not having a joke with the powers that be. And when time we do videos like this, understand something. People waste them time. A quote unquote call out the constable, call out the not aim off for the ram spot. You could clips them on and post about the place with the constable over here and the sergeant over here. So if you want to get things done, you address the top. But because Jamaica don't have a leadership culture, Jamaica have a culture where if the staff do something, if this particular employee do something, all the focus is so. Right. When everybody knows that in any serious organization, when they see something break down, when they see standards break down, the first thing they look to leadership. But that's not a part of Jamaican culture. Right. The little man will feel, people just look on him. People not talk about the sloppy organization that he's a part of that make not just him continue to feel but many others. Right. So when this video is for the big wig them. Not just not JC, Minister of National Security, whoever. Right. I talk about the big rank. The rank them was a heavy that's the shoulder lean. Can realize that too much man sitting on the AC and at daytime too comfortable. Like them need a wake up call, so I could talk about it. JCF, talk to me. What is missing on my screen? What is missing Observer? If you want to read it for yourself, you can Google. Right. Everybody knows for Google, right? Hunt for illegal cabbies. That's the title in Jamaica Observer. Listen to what it says. New strategy angers operators but transport authority cops on wavering. Alright. Hit up on your screen. You can see that, right? So before we go any further, because I know Simon tune in every day, just like how the PIA and the Patreon squad tune in. Right. Simon don't miss a day. Simon, we're not saying the police them. Right. Nuffy deal with illegal cabs and robot taxi and all them thing there. Because as we know, enough man use quote unquote taxi and take up people and all kind of things. We know that. That's not the point there, sir. Right. You see the big picture here, sir, at the level of strategy where them deploy. And who? Right. Them are deployed against. Listen to this. Undercover agents marked bills and recording devices to capture the deal. The target? Robot taxi operators. Jamaica is not a real country. Take Jamaica out of the map. Jamaica is like, like in a some show them talk about come from another dimension. Jamaica operates in another dimension. Me say Jamaica is a Netflix series, but this gone past Netflix. I must another dimension, You cannot tell me say the country we consistently top murder chance. The country that we've been bawling and begging for undercover agents and for the JCF step up them tactics, right, and use some of the brain power we know them have. Right? Because contrary to popular belief, right, you have very brilliant police officers, right, in the force who have a bag of sense and know about technology and know about strategy. And you always ask the question, why them not do this, why them not do that? Man, I tell you about control variables. This is not the movie. This sounds like a movie to me. This not sound like a marked bills. No show no watch them thing there now. Recording devices to capture the deal. Deal? What? Take one taxi? Jimmy, I can't believe this. The man names to capture the deal like say they might deal with some Pablo Escobar 600 key with a Diet Coke. Robot taxi not about recording device to capture deal. The target? Robot taxi operators. Let me read this. Already, this offbeat strategy being used by the JCF and the Transport Authority since earlier this year has led to the seizure of more than 350 vehicles. Of course, it's going to be very successful because this is something with them now plan for. That's the whole point of undercover agents, and that's the whole point of sting ops and set up certain little things, because they will catch people completely off guard. The standard pull over them knows, alright, police on the road, police on, alright, take that way, cut here, so. But this, them not ready for this. So of course, some will get 350 vehicles. However, the drivers of these robot taxis who are seemingly being outwitted are not happy. Of course, they're not happy. And of course, they're being outwitted. As I said, the strategy is effective. Based on information gathered by the Jamaica Observer, Transport Authority officials are boarding robot taxis as regular civilians, capturing a picture or video of the driver receiving marked bills as fare, then disembarking the vehicles. Transport Authority. So Jamaica is a country where Transport Authority behave like elite special force operatives for robot taxi. For robot. This can't real. Observer and make up things to get views. Why is the Jamaica Observer making up things to get views? Transport Authority, not even police, you know. Transport Authority, I deploy them kind of tactics, sir. Right. Marked bills, secret recordings, see the fear going on and you know, so that case they done now, no. You can't be, all you have to do in that situation is plead guilty. Because you're done for. Then get everything recorded. Then they need no witness. Then they need no quote unquote informer. Everything. You go on to state the vehicle's license plates are recorded, after which they can be easily tracked for confiscation. Easily tracked, but hold on. The barrel and machine them when it come. Remember say they couldn't track that because control the variables. So Transport Authority can control the variables. People of Jamaica, we just want to see what the favorite, right, so-called leaders are capable of. Transport Authority can control the variables if we catch robot taxi. But the state, with all the money, all the resources somebody can have, cannot track a barrel. As my granny used to say, I have to take bad things, make joke. It's either they can't do it or they don't want to do it. And now we know they can't do it. The next man come on TV and tell us about control variables, the public need to demand a resignation. Transport Authority, I carry off FBI level, DEA level. What next one? ATF, CIA, KGB, Mossad, British SAS, SBS. Them level the Transport Authority. Yo, big up Transport Authority. Me never know so I sound bad. Like the man them better than our CTAC. Here I was thinking so CTAC on them, and there was, you know, and the SWAT team was a Transport Authority are the baddest thing in a uniform of Jamaica. Transport Authority is the baddest thing in uniform in Jamaica. Only see the lens that them got to catch robot taxi and your favorite ACP, Commissioner, DCC, DPP and all kind of P. Can't do the same thing if you deal with Junker Nation, if you deal with young generations, if you deal with some like a fool 87 we can barely. I cannot believe me I see. No observer must make up things to get views. I wonder if April the 1st and the man pull a stunt on me. Maybe me need a new calendar. Even the license plates are recorded, after which they can be easily tracked for confiscation. Once seized, the vehicles are stored at several of the Transport Authority's compounds, 2 of which are located in Lakespen and Linders Road. When the barrel of weapon come in, the man them say, I must say, why them not just make the man them collect the barrel them? And then, them tracker, man say, they control variables, this is not a movie. So now when, here, this is we have it all figured out. Make the JCF and Transport Authority swap roles. So now Transport Authority will fight criminals and JCF deal with robot taxi and bus. All this time I never know such a Transport Authority bad. Marked bills? People of Jamaica, you're in abroad. That's not a movie. When them tell them say that this is not a movie. But control variable. But Transport Authority I do it. This is what just recently I did the video on the funeral and I say is ABC for people as police officers undercover go in there, the man in fire and shot and then do them thing afterwards. People of Jamaica understand. So them can do it. This is why I don't take none of my favorite leaders who want to worship so much seriously. What the hell is a Junker Nation? One of the things that young generation are 51, 50. You think these gangs are nothing special? We're not talking about Cosa Nostra. We're not talking about the Drangheta. We're not talking about the Yakuza. We're talking about 87s who are so foolish, them quote unquote inform upon themselves. And for nearly 6 decades now, your favorite leaders have been struggling to deal with them. Hey, why you can't stop them on them? Well, you know, because. Hey, why you can't? One don't resort to more sophisticated methods. One don't run some undercover stings. Oh, because, but for catch, robot taxi, the man them turning a MacGyver. Man them turning marked bills, record license plate, tracked for confiscation, board robot taxis as regular civilians, Transport Authority, fraud. Favorite leaders, we found one name. Everybody just go in a power or get the job, get the title, get the rank, make what them can make, make as much money as them can, gain 130 pound, belly pointed. When them going on the job, them have 6-pack abs, and within 6 months of the job, here comes the 30 pound to the belly, cause life get real good. Life get real good. Well comfortable. Get one extra 4 or 5 mistress on the side. Paid for courtesy of the taxpayer, of course. Life is real good for your favorite big wigs. Hey, why we can't get out Junker Nation? It should be so easy if you set up them with a sting operation. Why them can't get out more man? We are bring weapons in the country. All you have to do is pose as a buyer. Yo, you know on the link for Moamba. Yeah man. Go right through to the process till when the 15 machine them come, that's when you make your move. And nothing for JCF. get out enough of them money. It's not as hard as you make it. Right. Me understand the challenges with when it comes on to witnesses and all. Me understand that part about certain crimes. For example, the whole 87 the herbs if you go on straight and them thing there. Easy sting operation that. Easy sting operation. Them can pose as the buyer, them can pose as the seller. Them can pose as the fisher. They so easy. Hell, them not for posing. Them can wait till the machine then come in, make the man then collect it, and then track it. Go see who for yard it end up. But you know why them can't track it? Because it might end up at your favorite MP yard. It might end up at your favorite CEO yard. It might end up at your favorite artist yard. It might end up at your favorite pastor yard. And then that's going to be a hell of a ugly PR situation. Then things will get real messy. I mean man can't track barrel. Me say Apple come out with one little something with you, one little key tag something. You track all your dog, you put the man in the key when you go you track him. And then can't track barrels, them as a movie. We say them can't do it or them don't want to do it, and now we know. Without a shadow of a doubt, them can do it. Transport Authority are pull off FBI level ops. A man, some of the most wanted man them in the country walk up and down. Man I make one extra 5 quote unquote dopey half time get wanted. I ain't even left the community yet. Marked bills the man them going on. Marked bills. Between the marked bills and the actual officer seeing the transaction and the recording, and if you understand, so you're done in a court, you know. There's no point even fighting the case, you know. You see if your favorite 87 them buck up on a snare like that. All them only for contract killings. Police can easily book them own contract killings and get out the contract killers, you know. I am see the first down payment here. Mark bills. Them know who them I talk to, they know who them I link with. I mean, this thing is just one big puppy show. One big puppy show. Right. The same thing with the whole woman I get take away. In the car. How long may I tell you say JCF, female JCF officers supposed to can go in at the same taxi them. Right. Go make man try take them away. The car is going to be followed. Them are going to have the whatever upon them. Easy ups. Little risk involved, but guess what? You're a police officer. If you want a comfortable, safe life with zero risk, then find something else to do. You're going to have to go above and beyond to protect the public. But that's like speaking Chinese. But no one hear that. But no one hear that. This is what happens when you have a country where there's no culture of duty. Not just to yourself, but to your community, right? And the nation as a whole. The sense of duty not exists in Jamaica. Very rarely you meet somebody who have a sense of duty. People just live for themselves. Right? As long as I can get my paycheck and go me out, everything good. You see, let me tell you something. And this is going to hurt some feelings. That's why I go hit the dislike button. There's a reason why countries like Jamaica are really going away. It's not an accident. We don't hear countries like Rwanda. Right? We lose 1 million people in 100 days, bounce back, and now make Jamaica look like we not even move, like we are moonwalk. We have to understand something. Right? The world, no business about nobody, sad story. Jamaica is a nation of crybabies. We're proud to tell you how weak they are and how much struggle they've been through. Bunch of big crybabies. People take great pride in telling you how much of an underachiever that they are. As a culture, once people fall, them just stay falling and just ball until they say them they fall for the rest of their life. Yo, what happened to you, bro? You know, in 1995, this happened to me. They on the same corner till the same sad story. Meanwhile, other countries will lose a big chunk of their population in 100 days, can pick up themselves and move forward. There are countries that have literally been to actual war, right? Have bombs dropped on them, have whole cities wiped out and rebuild and pass out back Jamaica. This is why one of the videos like the George Soros video, understand, that's to make you aware. It's not so you can find a new reason to feel sorry for yourself. And act like, oh, you can't do nothing. Oh, we're all helpless. No, we are not. Ultimately, the people decide, right, what happened to them country. Even using the same George Soros example. You see what, when they did the British pound, broke the Bank of England, crashed the pound, what happened to England after that? Did they become #1 on the murder charge? Did their economy become completely useless? Did their currency turn a toilet paper? No. Countries that are built on a solid foundation, no local outsider can come in, come mash it up. That country was already weak from the start. That come like if a man take away your woman, that wasn't really your woman, bro. She just stand up beside of you, right? And just wait for the opportunity to find somebody better. That wasn't your woman. No man can take away your woman if you're your woman. You lose her a long time. She decided you, but you lose her a long time. She finally meet the man that she want. Right? No little fool outsider can come in, come down. And this is one of the next thing we realize. When man like George Soros and them man that move on the road and look for people and countries to run in upon, them need an avenue. Them need to link with somebody in the said country. A country that is strong. A country actually stand for something. No little fine man can just run in so. When people always talk about, oh, look what them do to Africa, let me tell you something about Africa. Africa gets sold out by African leaders. The man who running go pillage it, even have no love or affiliation for African people. African leaders are the ones who are supposed to have that love and affiliation for them people and protect them people. So people want to say, oh, look what them do. You know who me look on first? The leader. The man who make a next man come in the country, come buy him out and make man turn him an agent that him me look on first. Because, for example, if Soros or any other man say they might go do this to Jamaica or do this to Ghana or wherever, and them link with someone from Ghana or link with someone from Nigeria or someone from St. Thomas and give them man their thing, and then them man they open the door and make it possible for them to go east. And them man they me look on first. You must infiltrate a country or a group of people in order for it to do no real damage. And in order to do that, somebody in the country or the group have to sell out. There are countries where Uncle Sam and China and Russia and these countries hate like poison and then can't really hurt them because the people them stand solid. You know who then can run in upon easily when time they're ready? Jamaica. Trinidad. Them place there. The American hood. Right? Places where the people them depend on a solid foundation. People who start milk crate and climb them and drop and pop out themselves. Right? Just for a laugh and just to go on the internet and get some likes. Them people. When Soros and friend them look something for running upon and infiltrate, right, and introduce all kind of foolishness to them people them look for. Ask yourself this question. How many Swiss entertainers, right? When was the last time you were entertained by the Swiss or the Chinese? Right? Or people from Monaco? When was the last time they entertained you? Right? When was the last time you seen all the gimmicks that come out from certain part of the country? When was the last time you see Singapore people? Right? A trend for no foolishness. Ask yourself this question. If you know Mr. Chin and Miss Chin and them and them wholesale, or you know the family are from India or from Arab or with Jamaica, you ever seen them go try entertaining yet? Think about it. Some of the most boring, quote unquote, boring people you know, right? Right. Lifestyle look very routine and monotonous, like robots, right? And you say, boy, them don't even have no vibes. Them don't even fun. Yeah, but guess who for pitney about her feet? Guess who for pitney, right? A buck shuffle when it comes on to school time. You want your fun pitney them. So fun and full of vibes. People want to call boring. And they might take time. grow and grow and build and build. And then when him done build, you say Ratty then when him get that, I know you vex and in your feelings. Cause the too busy a walk and create. How it go? Heights of great man rich and kept, were not attained by sudden flight. Meanwhile they'll walk and create. They were onward toiling through the night. We have to do better. We have to do better as a people, right across the board, whether the Caribbean, North America, wherever. We have to do better as a nation. See, in my opinion, a big part of this come back down to the whole how youths are raised. Jamaican men in general, and you notice enough of this, I put more the pressure upon the man them, because when the son are leader and they're supposed to be leaders, Jamaican men are just not competitive enough. Desire to be great and push the boundaries and do new things and innovate, it's just not good enough. And it reflects right across the board, whether it's education, the police force, JDF, with the government, and you see it right across the board. Man just happy for just be content. Oh, I have this position, I just write it out. Talk your talk and then walk it. Come in and say, yo, this may I do by this point, otherwise I'm gone, because I'm serving a purpose. I respect that man. Even if him fail, I respect that man. That's just me though. Because right now, as I say, clear the man, they're just winging it. Just winging it. Anyway, big up the special operatives in the Transport Authority. Right. You soon you say they gone and foreign because FBI soon snatch them up. Nah. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.